हमारे कंप्यूटर्स को जो कीवर्ड से वेबसाइट उनका गूगल पे रैंक हो रहा है, जबकि वही कीवर्ड्स हमारे क्लाइंट सर्च कर रहे हैं, हमारे वेबसाइट दिख नहीं रहा है गूगल पे कहीं पे। तो ऐसा क्यों? मतलब क्या होता क्या है एसईओ में? फिर चार्ज क्यों करते हो आप लोग? If you can tell us something about
And
SEO.
we have to be very honest about it. Of course, if your competitors are ranking, they are doing something that your agency is not doing, and we have to find that out. For that, we have competition analysis tools. Here tools comes foremost. Before that, you need to specify your budget, your purpose, your objective. Once those are clear, we can see what your competitors are doing, not just about in terms of keywords, in terms of, let's say, the landing page content that they are using, which are driving traffic. You have SEMrush for that, you have Ubersuggest for that. You can see the pages that your competitors are ranking for, keywords that your competitors are ranking for, the speed of the website. These things matter. So we have a very insider joke about this SEO thing.
Okay.
John Mueller, the spokesperson of Google SEO,
Okay.
he always uses the term, let's say he uses, I forgot the term, it depends, right?
Okay. It depends. Acha.
So there's a meme with John Mueller in the meme, and बड़ा बड़ा अक्षर में लिखा है it depends.
It depends. Okay. So basically, you mean to say like whether to go ahead with SEO
Yes.
or where SEO starts. SEO starts with competition analysis.
Before that,
Is
you
that-
need to understand your business first.
My business, the objectives, the goals that I want to achieve,
Right.
and how are my competitors trying to achieve it.
True.
So after analyzing what's happening, then you strategize your own plan.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
And there's a copy part. We have to be very honest about it. You have to copy the strategies of your competitors. There's no shame about it. If your competitors are winning, you have to copy their strategy.
It's like inspiration, getting inspiration.
Yeah, you have to you can sugarcoat inspiration, but true, you have to copy it.
Yes.
You have to copy it and then put in your elements of how to
Right.
outsmart them, right? Yeah, it's all about outsmarting your competitors in SEO. But yes, I mean, SEO is a long-term game and it definitely yields results. Like I can say from my experience, like if SEO is done correctly, it can get you leads organically, of course, organically. What you can actually get from performance marketing. Yes, it differs from business to business, the type of business, the kind of SEO that a D2C brand needs to do and a traditional engineering firm needs to do. Two are different. But if SEO is done correctly and with patience, it definitely yields results after, you say, 7 to 8 months.
You use the word long term.
Yeah.
So businesses will ask how long
Yeah.
and
True.
after how many months. So we need to answer that question. So when we say long term, we don't say 2-3 years. We say a step by step process. There are keywords that drive 10 people. There are keywords that drive 10,000 people. You have to first target those keywords that drive 10 people. You have to be realistic about your goals, and then you can you upgrade yourself, upgrade your SEO game.
Okay. Right.
If you start at 10,000 wala keyword, not that won't yield
will
results.
not work for your brand.